Hello guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to inverse your selection inside of Photoshop. So with that being said, let's get ahead and open Photoshop. And so you know, this tutorial will help you in every single version of Photoshop. So for example, if you have the 2022 version or the 2014 version, it will still help you even when I'm using the 2019 version. So keep concentrated with me guys and follow me step by step. Now we need to find the image to do our selection in it. So for example, let's click on file, click on open, and then let's select any image you want. For example, let's say this image. As you can see, there is too many stuff to select in this picture. So let's click on here, double click, and let's see, for example, let's choose this this moon in here, or whatever it is, this planet. So let's select it by using the magic tool, and then after selecting it like that, you feel like, oh, I choose to select the wrong object, or you need to select other objects and keep the moon or the planet as it is. What do you do in this case? Well, you can just right click on this moon and then click on select the inverse, and like that, if you click on here and click cut, you have this the background or wherever it is cut instead of the moon. Let's say you selected the background, for example, let's go back, and you want it to go back into the moon. What do we do in this case? It's the same, literally the same thing. Let's just click right here and click on select inverse. With that being said, here you can see the moon has been selected again. So thanks for watching today's video. Hope you enjoyed it, and see you guys in the next tutorial.